This high-level demo will show how Torque helps our users build, launch, and optimize cloud environments at scale. Let's start by showing how Torque helps your teams move faster in the cloud. Torque provides self-service access to launch cloud environments, pre-configured to support our users' unique needs. Each item in this self-service catalog represents an environment that a user may need to run frequently, such as software development, testing, and training environments. The catalog provides detailed information on each environment, as well as a user-friendly way to customize the deployment. For example, setting the duration instructs Torque to terminate the environment automatically when it's no longer needed. Adding collaborators allows users to invite teammates to access this environment once live. This reduces the need for others to spin up identical cloud resources simultaneously and makes it easier for teammates to collaborate. Users can also set parameters and select tags from a simple pick list to ensure that all cloud resources are deployed and tagged accurately. The environment will be live in a matter of minutes and provides the user the live environment, documentation, and visibility into the cloud resources powering that environment. After deploying an environment, users can perform actions on cloud resources defined in the blueprint. This level of access provides added flexibility and makes users more productive by eliminating the need to submit tickets for basic cloud requests. Torque also monitors the state of your resource configurations. If the configurations in an environment drift from their initial state, Torque notifies the user and shows them the nature of the change. A single click allows the user to reconcile the change so they can get back to work quickly. Torque also automates actions to eliminate manual work required to ensure environments are operating correctly. This includes basic workflows like scheduling the infrastructure lifecycle for your team, as well as more advanced cases like automating health checks and upgrades for application services. Integrations provide access to these environments directly within tools like Jenkins and Spotify Backstage. Automations via Torque make this process seamless so environments are active where and when developers need them. Now we're going to show how Torque users build the environments that their teams launch. Each cloud environment shown in Torque's self-service catalog is based on a single source file, defining all the infrastructure, applications, and other resources needed to execute the service to support the user. These source files are called blueprints. Torque comes with out-of-the-box resources, defining cloud infrastructure and application services, so users can get started designing their blueprints as soon as they've created an account. Torque blueprints also leverage our users' existing application resources. After connecting your repository, Torque will discover your infrastructure as code modules and create visual building blocks that represent them for your environment design. All out-of-the-box and user-provided assets will be available in the asset library as part of the blueprint design experience. Simply add resources to the canvas and set the dependencies to design your environment. Since these resources are based on your existing configurations, you don't need to write any code to define your environment. The user can set inputs for each individual resource via a user-friendly form. This makes it easier for more users to define how infrastructure is provisioned, as well as how the environment will be launched, regardless of their expertise in infrastructure as code or Kubernetes technologies. This design process automatically generates a new machine-readable file, defining the blueprint. Users can view and edit the code in this file at any time. This file can also be added to an external repository, so users can launch and maintain environments as code. Only those with administrator-level permissions can design blueprints. Once they've completed the blueprint, they can publish it, so those with user-level permissions can launch via Torque's self-service portal or integrations with their operational tools. Let's dive into ways you can use Torque to eliminate wasted cloud costs. Since Torque initiates the creation of cloud environments, the platform can calculate cloud costs based on your team's activity. The view by owner is based on the user who launched your cloud environments, so you can see who is responsible for costs quickly and easily. Other reports include a view into costs by cloud account, blueprint, and environment, so you can understand your biggest cost drivers at any given time. Torque automatically detects when cloud resources deployed via the platform are inactive. The inactivity report shows how many idle cloud resources are running and allows users to sort these cost savings opportunities based on the cost for each. This helps you optimize costs by eliminating waste without disrupting your team's productivity. Torque also enforces custom policies to help prevent costly activity that leads to waste. For example, this policy sets a maximum cost threshold. Torque will require approval for any attempted deployment expected to exceed this cost threshold. This allows your teams to move faster in the cloud as long as their activity adheres to your cost standards. Now we will explore how Torque provides visibility to help you understand how developers are using your cloud resources. The homepage provides visibility into the performance of cloud environments launched in this space, total cloud costs accrued for those environments, savings through cloud cost optimization measures, and an overview of all infrastructure and management for this space. The environment view shows all actively running and recently terminated environments, with a context to understand who launched them. This view shows all recent deployments and provides a view into the current status, the last time it was accessed, and the owner of each environment. Users and administrators can easily view active environments to learn more and terminate them if needed. The activity dashboard provides in-depth reports to understand productivity across all users in your Torque account. This developer-centric view shows how productive your teams are, so you can identify ways to help your teams get work done more easily. Thank you for watching this demo. Start your free trial of Torque at Quali.com.